Welcome to today's video, where we embark on an electrifying journey to explore the fundamental differences between electric vehicles, EVs, and traditional petrol-driven vehicles. In an era of eco-conscious driving, it's crucial to understand the choices available. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a prospective buyer, let's navigate the roads of innovation and tradition. Let's start by understanding the core of these vehicles, their power sources. Electric vehicles, as the name suggests, run solely on electricity. They rely on rechargeable batteries to power an electric motor. Petrol-driven vehicles, on the other hand, depend on internal combustion engines powered by gasoline. This fundamental difference shapes how they perform, consume energy, and impact the environment. Environmental impact is a major consideration. EVs are known for their eco-friendly credentials, producing zero tailpipe emissions. They contribute to reduced air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, making them a sustainable choice. Petrol-driven vehicles, while improving in efficiency, continue to emit pollutants that affect air quality and contribute to climate change. Let's talk about the costs of running these vehicles. EVs require less maintenance. With fewer moving parts, there's less wear and tear. You won't find components like oil filters, spark plugs, or timing belts in an electric motor. This not only lowers maintenance costs, but also reduces the frequency of visits to the mechanic. On the other hand, petrol-driven vehicles, while certainly more fuel-efficient than in the past, still come with their share of challenges. The prices of gasoline can fluctuate significantly due to various factors like global oil markets and geopolitical tensions. These fluctuations can make it challenging to budget for fuel expenses, impacting your overall cost of ownership. Range and charging infrastructure are significant considerations. EVs have made impressive strides in range, with many models offering competitive distances on a single charge. However, access to charging infrastructure remains a concern, especially for long trips. When considering petrol-driven vehicles, one significant advantage is the extensive network of gasoline stations, which undoubtedly provides convenience and accessibility. No matter where you are, it's likely that you're just a short drive away from a petrol station. This established infrastructure ensures that refueling is a quick and hassle-free experience. It's a reassurance for those who travel long distances or in areas with limited services. The driving experience sets these vehicles apart. EVs are renowned for their instant torque delivery, providing brisk acceleration and a quiet ride. Petrol-driven vehicles offer a more traditional driving experience with engine noise and gear shifting. We'll dissect how these characteristics impact your time behind the wheel. So, in the electrifying showdown of electric vehicles versus petrol-driven vehicles, which one should you choose? The answer hinges on your priorities and values. EVs undoubtedly offer a compelling solution for eco-conscious drivers. Their environmental sustainability, stemming from zero tailpipe emissions and lower energy consumption, plays a vital role in reducing your carbon footprint. On the other hand, petrol-driven vehicles provide a sense of familiarity, accessibility, and an extensive infrastructure. They cater to individuals who value the traditional driving experience and the convenience of readily available refueling options. Thanks for joining us on this electrifying exploration. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening automotive content. Until next time, may your journeys be filled with excitement, no matter which road you choose.